Ann Akerson, and I'm the founder of Kindred Bravely. I wasn't always an entrepreneur or business owner. I was a high school math teacher for 11 years. But I found myself in a situation a couple years ago that I realized I really needed to do something about. I was nursing my second son, and the clothes that I was wearing just weren't that comfortable. I realized I couldn't be the only person out there that wanted comfortable, functional, and stylish clothes for breastfeeding. And so I made one set of pajamas, and shortly after that a bra too. And it's become a whole product line and company now. And we have a team of amazing, mostly stay-at-home moms like myself that keep each other company late into the night as we work. And we have a vision that every breastfeeding mom could have a comfortable bra in her wardrobe. And so that's why we started, and that's what we're about. Kindred Bravely is named for two things. Kindred is for the kindred sisterhood that you belong to as soon as you become a mom, really as soon as you become pregnant. Like, you feel different, you know something's different, and that's what binds us together as moms and women. And the Bravely is because motherhood is kind of a daily act of bravery. You never know exactly what's going to be called on for you, and it's not like the bold bravery, like in the movies kind of bravery. It's the always there for your kids, and it's the silent bravery of moms that we stand for.
Oh, you're right.
When I get an idea for a new product, it's usually because I haven't experienced one that hasn't been perfect. And so I look at that item and I think, what would make this great? So, for example, pumping. I hated pumping when I was breastfeeding, and a comfortable pumping bra that would also work for breastfeeding was impossible for me to find. So right now I'm in the process of designing one, and it takes, first you have to have the idea, what you're going to do to improve, how it's going to function well, and then I take that to my partners. I go to the factory and I say, this is what's currently being used, but I need it to be better in these ways, and we get a prototype. Then that comes back to me, and I find, I use real moms to test this. Real moms that are having the same real problems as me, and I mail them one and I say, how does this work for you? And then based on their feedback, we create 2, 3, 5, sometimes 8 different versions of something before we finally have something that is ready to go into production. So running a business with having 2 preschool-age boys, it's been a challenge, and it's not like perfectly clean where I go to work and then I'm not working. Like, it kind of all flows together. My most productive hours are either nap time or after they're asleep, which actually works out well for coordinating with all my suppliers in Asia, because evenings is a great time to talk to them. But it can be hard too, like when I'm trying to talk to the freight forwarder about a shipment coming in, and my 3-year-old is having an epic tantrum in the background. A lot of my work I try to do over email, so you can't hear the soundtrack to my life. And my kids join me in a lot of it. Sometimes they're on my lap while I'm on a video call. My 5-year-old thinks that everyone is in the business of selling nursing bras because that's what he sees all the time. So it's totally normal for him, and it's just a part of the fabric of our life. We want every pregnant or breastfeeding mother to have access to a comfortable bra in her wardrobe. And we believe that mothering is hard enough without having to worry about your wardrobe, so we want that to be an easy choice. We also believe in encouraging and supporting women in this journey, and we just want moms to be encouraged and know that they are doing an awesome job with their kids. There's a lot of ways to be a great mom, and you don't have to be the perfect one. There's a lot of pressure, and I just want to encourage moms daily to know that you are enough. And I just want other moms to be encouraged as they're going through this, that they're not alone.